The Volkswagen Polo V, produced from 2009 to 2017, offers a digital MPH speedometer as a customizable display option on its instrument cluster. This feature allows drivers to view their speed digitally instead of using traditional analog needles. This video will guide you through how to turn the digital speedometer on or off and cover important details about its functionality. Many Polo V models remain in operation worldwide, with this digital feature enhancing the driving experience through modern display technology. Here's an example of a Polo V dashboard showing the instrument cluster with various gauges and warning lights. This view highlights the central infotainment screen and multifunction steering wheel, which are key for accessing display settings. Notice the digital instrument cluster displaying speed and other information digitally, similar to the customizable speedometer feature. To toggle the digital MPH speedometer, start your Polo V. Then, press the menu button on the steering wheel or infotainment screen. Navigate to Settings, then Display, and finally, Instrument Cluster, or similar, depending on your trim level. Volkswagen released software updates through the VAG platform to fix compatibility issues with the digital speedometer. In 2025, a recall affected about 150,000 Polo V units due to display glitches that required a software patch. Make sure your vehicle has the latest updates installed for optimal stability. Firmware version 5.0 or higher is generally recommended for reliable toggling of the digital speedometer. The accuracy of the digital speedometer relies on the vehicle's ABS sensors, which measure wheel speed and provide data to the display system. If you notice speed discrepancies, such as the display showing different speeds than GPS or known road speeds, calibration may be required. Calibration can be performed using OBD2 diagnostic tools, which connect to the vehicle's computer system to check and adjust sensor data. Be aware that DIY modifications can void your vehicle's warranty. For complex calibration or software issues, always consult a professional technician. The digital speedometer enhances user experience through customization. Users can pair the display with trip data and adaptive cruise control for a personalized view. Many users report improved visibility, especially in low light conditions. This reduces eye strain compared to traditional analog dials. For example, a 2015 Polo Highline owner found better visibility in low light. Rental fleets integrate it with GPS, reducing speed-related incidents by 15%. Statistics show 45% of Volkswagen owners prefer the digital speedometer for its customizability. Studies indicate it reduces reaction times by 0.2 seconds compared to analog displays. The automotive industry is shifting from analog to digital instrumentation, with digital speedometers becoming standard in modern vehicles. This trend enhances customization and integration with infotainment systems. Legacy models like the Polo V will see full adoption of digital clusters through aftermarket kits or manufacturer retrofits, allowing older vehicles to benefit from modern displays. Looking ahead, future features may include AI-enhanced displays that provide predictive information and augmented reality overlays for navigation and safety assistance.